Last night we spent the night in Forsyth, Georgia. This morning we're up and headed toward Helen, Georgia. As you can hear, the truck is probably a little loud. There are some inclines here compared to Florida, so it ought to be interesting. Handled that well, babe.
I needed to.
That was crazy.
Hi and welcome to Travel Camp Explore. We finally made it to Helen, Georgia. We're all set up in Unicoi State Park after a 2-day trip up from North Florida.
The roads coming here were a little bumpy. Georgia needs to work on their roads, but we did make it through Helen. It took us a little while to get here. The traffic through Helen is a little slow, to say the least. We are here on 4th of July weekend. We also followed the directions of TomTom to get to Unicoi State Park, and I don't suggest doing that. We'll have video on that later. In addition to that, we booked a full setup campsite. They put us in the blue area, which is supposed to be a 40-foot site. We drove through there. There were only 2 sites available, and neither of those looked like they were 40 feet. We went back through to try and see if we could find anything, and luckily run into one of the rangers here, and he suggested we try maybe a different loop, and we told him they gave us the blue one, and he was really nice and put us in a camp host site.
It was a little tight pulling in, and as you can see all around us, it's a very wooded site, very pretty site, so we're going to go and explore.